Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the noise of life, where each day spins faster and your inner voice gets drowned out? What if I told you that there is a simple, profound practice that can transform your spiritual journey, deepen your connection with the divine, and bring unparalleled peace into your life? This practice is called stillness, and today, we're diving deep into how embracing it can open doors to knowing God and yourself in ways you never imagined. Imagine standing by a tranquil lake, its surface so calm that it perfectly mirrors the sky above. This image is a metaphor for stillness, a state of complete calmness and clarity that reflects our truest self and the divine presence. But in our fast-paced, modern world, achieving this stillness seems almost impossible. Yet, the ancient wisdom embedded in the phrase, "Be still, and know that I am God," suggests that through stillness, we can discover profound truths about our existence and our Creator. What is stillness? Stillness is not merely about being quiet, it's about surrender. Derived from the Hebrew word rapha, meaning to let go or to release, stillness involves a deep relinquishment of our own agendas, fears, and desires. It's in this surrender that we open ourselves up to a deeper, more intimate relationship with the divine. For spiritual seekers, stillness is the gateway through which God's presence and promise unfold. The practice of stillness, finding your sacred space. Begin by finding a quiet place where interruptions are minimal. This could be a designated corner of your room, a peaceful garden, or anywhere that you feel safe and undisturbed. Setting the stage, create an environment that helps you relax. This might include dim lighting, a comfortable seat, or elements of nature such as plants or water. The goal is to reduce sensory input so you can focus inward. Breathing techniques. Start with deep, slow breaths to steady your heart rate and calm your mind. As you breathe in, envision drawing in peace and stillness. As you exhale, imagine letting go of stress and noise, mindfulness, and meditation. Use mindfulness to anchor your thoughts. Focus on a simple mantra related to surrender and knowing God, such as let go and know. Allow thoughts to pass without engaging them, always returning to your breath or mantra. Embracing silence. Gradually reduce the number of words in your mantra, moving deeper into silence. Embrace the quiet and listen intently. In this space, insights and feelings can surface, providing clarity and connection to the divine. The role of stillness in spiritual awakening. For those who have experienced a spiritual awakening, stillness can be particularly transformative. It allows for a continuous unfolding of understanding and deepening of spiritual consciousness. In the Bible, figures like Moses, Jeremiah, Mary, and Esther found their divine missions not in the chaos of their circumstances, but in moments of profound surrender to God's will. Deepening spiritual insights through stillness. Stillness is not a one-time experience, but a practice to be woven into the fabric of your daily life. Over time, it cultivates a resilience and openness in you, making you more receptive to the subtle movements of the Spirit. It teaches us that God's strength is made perfect in our weakness, a paradoxical truth that becomes clearer the more we engage in stillness. Overcoming challenges with stillness. Embracing stillness can be challenging, especially when faced with personal fears and the discomfort of letting go. However, recognizing these challenges as invitations from God to deeper trust and surrender can transform them into steps towards spiritual growth. Each moment of surrender is a step closer to a deeper, more meaningful understanding of both God and ourselves. In a world that prizes action and achievement, choosing stillness might feel counterintuitive. Yet it is in these quiet moments of surrender that we truly know in the biblical sense, gaining deep, intuitive understanding of the divine. By integrating stillness into your life, you not only find refuge from the storm, but also gain a clearer vision of who you are meant to be in the eyes of the divine. I invite you to start incorporating stillness into your daily routine. Begin with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase as you feel comfortable. Observe the changes not just in your spiritual life, but in your overall well-being. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, or join our community for more discussions on spiritual growth. Remember, in the quietude lies not just knowledge, but transformation. Let's embark on this journey of stillness together and discover the profound peace and understanding that awaits. Thank you for being here. If you resonate with this message, subscribe to this channel. Love, light, and blessings to you.